Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and it's Tom's Radio Room Show. So, hold on a second. I've got my other computer tuned to the local fire and EMS, and I just 5 minutes ago heard this report right here that there's been an explosion. And when she was listing all these vehicles, she was like, I'm like, what the heck? I'm stopping when she's talking. Like, what the heck is going on? And she said, explosion. So this is one of the reasons I kind of monitor this. I have to monitor it on radio reference because Pinellas County has gone digital, encoded. No, just digital. And I don't have a digital scanner. So there are two people in Pinellas County that have digital radios, digital scanners, and they put them on radioreference.com. I don't know if you can hear that because it is.
You can cancel truck 4.
Cancel truck 4.
Dispatch truck 4.
Okay, that's a different one. This truck 4 is up here. And the other thing is what they do in Pinellas County, they have this website so you can see the dispatches in pretty much real time. Because when she started calling those people on the radio, I went to this.
Visible from the alpha side of our structure.
And it,
the delta side.
And it was already up.
Establishing order command and accountability alpha side of our building, and we will be in the investigative mode.
Honest and all server command and accountability side alpha.
Truck 45 is on scene, Charlie side.
Honest and truck 45 on scene.
Let me just check something.
Agent 45 to District 45.
Our recording software.
Decode our command. Go ahead, Lieutenant.
It seems to be picking her up.
So we're on the delta side of the structure. We have our own hydrant, and we're going to make direct entry to the kitchen and investigate.
So I should say them up now.
Yes, I'm going to make south side of our building alpha. That'll be the main entrance. Causeway side will be Charlie side.
And you can click on this address and it'll normally will bring up a map. Let me see if it does. Yep, there it is. So that's not too far from me. And the other thing that caught my ear was they said engine 48. Engine 48 is about a mile from me. So I'm always listening for that station 48. So you can see there's a lot of equipment at that location. And that is right on the waterfront here. This is the inland waterways here off of Clearwater, near Clearwater Beach. And let me close that now so we'll know where it is. And so we've got, it's this one right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry, command, go ahead.
4 engines and
Staff. This
one.
was an aerosol can that exploded. We're going to check out the kitchen, but at this time all incoming units can slow.
Okay, so he just said it's an aerosol can
All incoming units to Bay Avenue downgrade.
that exploded in somebody's kitchen. I guess it was near the stove or something. So they are now calling all these people off, most of them, not all of them. And you will see their numbers and designations drop off here. I think a few of them already have dropped off. Yep, see there's a whole line that dropped.
Copy downgrade to Bay Avenue.
So they're downgrading.
Copy, thank you.
They're downgrading it now since they've gone there and found out what the problem was. And I guess somebody must have called. I guess it must have called in and said.
This is confirmed. It is definitely an aerosol can. There's no fire problem. There's no issues in the kitchen at all. No injuries. Engine 45 can handle this.
So I guess somebody called in and said there was an explosion, so they
Go
like
ahead.
thought it was a big
We're
explosion.
going to make this for Engine 45. Units will advise as they go available. Command is going to stay. Would you page the on-call inspector to contact District 45 by cell phone?
So I just thought I'd try to capture that. I don't know if
5421.
the recording worked or not. We will see. If it did, I can post it. And this is one of the exciting things to listen to on scanner radios is fire and EMS. And like I say, luckily we have this nice web page in Pinellas County that provides this near real-time information. I mean, he called or she called people off and they start dropping off this list immediately. And let me go. This is the main page right here, and you can list. There's several things you can do with this list, and one is to view the list, which is the one I just showed you. And so it gets a tabulated list, and you can say view it in dark mode, which is what I did. It's also on this page gives you an idea where the incidents are. And you can see today it's pretty busy, pretty busy. So that's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.